Hello friends. So today I'm repotting a Gymnocalycium I picked up a day or two ago, and it's pretty dry, so I shouldn't really have any problems pulling it out. Ugh, so much perlite. Let me clean this off a bit. Pretty healthy plant. I like gymnos. I started collecting gymnos last year, and I got a pretty good collection of them now. Seems to be a pretty decent root system. The soil on top was pretty dry, but now that I got it out of the pot, it seems like the soil in the middle around the roots is still damp. So I don't want to disturb the roots too much, but I did want to clean this off and just examine and make sure that there's nothing on it, no pests or anything. The nursery I got it from is pretty reputable. I've been buying from them for a while. And this thing looks like it's got a nice taproot right there. Just want to brush it off, get all the dirt off. Yeah. Being as gentle as I can. So far, I didn't lose hardly any roots at all. Which is a good thing. Let me just see something here. Oh, I thought that was something that was just a piece of perlite. So yeah. Looks like it's been in this pot for a while, but it's a healthy root system. That's about all the dirt I'm going to take off. I'm not going to clean it completely. Otherwise you will start losing roots. So there. So this is a Gymnocalycium. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this, but I'll show you the the name right there. Alborealotum. Yeah. So let me get rid of this dirt and we'll start potting. That actually was relatively easy. So I took it out of a 4-inch pot, but I'm gonna put it in a 3.5-inch pot. Just remove this label. And I got my screen in there. Might be hard to see. The lighting in here isn't great. But we're gonna drop some pebbles in here. And we're gonna add some gravel. This is my own mixture. So you just dust it off real good. And then I want to give you folks another look. Very interesting plants. The spikes on this look small, but they're hard and they're spiky. If you grab this the wrong way, you'll definitely get stuck. And you see the growth in the middle. Grayish, beigeish spikes on the side, and the new growth is dark spikes, if you can see that. Very firm. Must have been, by the condition of the soil, I bet it was watered maybe a week ago. And so we'll start. Well, you know what I wanted to do. I'm gonna add a little rooting hormone, just in case. That never hurts. Some people use straight cinnamon. If I had run out of the rooting hormone, I would have probably used cinnamon too. But I got this stuff a while ago. It's called Root Boost. It's been pretty good. It works for me. Haven't had any problems with my cactuses. Okay, let's get started. So the one thing I always stress is to center the plant about the same depth as it was potted in originally. And then just add the soil all around. Once the plant is stable is when I start settling in the soil. So I'll tap a few times, holding, bracing the plant still in the center position. Ah, ah. That was spiky. Tap it real good, make sure the soil works its way down. Turn it a few times, tap it in a few different directions, allowing the soil to completely cover the root system. And then you can adjust the height a little bit. Initially, I don't like them too deep because once you start watering, the soil will go down and then the plant will be too deep. So I'm going to raise it just a little bit. And then I'll work the rest of the soil down with my skewer. Once you get all the soil where you think where it's completely holding the roots, we can actually add a little bit more soil. To the inside rim of the pot. Terracotta pots have this rim on the inside, so I usually use that as a guide to determine how deep, how much soil I put in there. I just go by that. Okay, that looks good. One more time, making sure all the soil is worked down. And then what I wanted to do is add just a little bit more finer soil. The finer stuff is actually the sand. Most of my soil is actual rocks, and so once you add the sand and you tap a few more times, it works its way down and actually fills in all the gaps. There. Perfectly centered. Nice Gymnocalycium. Give you one more look. And let's top dress it. So I have a little mixture here. I thought I'd try lava rocks and I believe this was granite. So it's black and gray. thought it was a nice combo. I'm always trying new stuff. This was the black lava rock that I got a few weeks ago. The finer, the smaller grained lava rocks. And I mixed in a little bit of granite chips. And give that a little tap. There you have it. A healthy, well-potted Gymnocalycium Kieslingii Alborealotum. I know I butchered that. This is the label one more time. Give you another look. And that's the plant. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was interesting. I hope you leave me a comment and a thumbs up if you liked it. And maybe subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.